gonna blow my brain with a shotgun. It's been 6 months since the last time we talked, and I'ma fall off stage when I perform in Boston, cause I'm so outraged by the way that I lost her. Woke up this morning to my girl gone. I'm trying to figure out what I did so wrong. Was it something I said, or maybe something I did, and I just wanna be dead whenever I'm in my crib. I got my headphones on, bumping over tonight's song. I've been so sober that I can't keep composure when my bitch start acting stupid and claiming